than you've ever been. No matter how hard the storm or how strong the winds, there will be a break in the clouds so light can shine through again. Learn to bend with the wind and be willing to let go. Spread your wings to let the wind carry you through the highs and lows into the loving arms of His grace that flows. No matter how hard the storm or how strong the winds, there will be a break in the clouds so light can shine through again. Storm sent to break you, He may use to make you. Each storm will strengthen you and tell you what to do. You never know who you'll inspire and change their point of view. No matter how hard the storm